I'm Taylor Wallace, and this is Matt Wallace, and we're here today to talk to you guys about the most asked question that we get during this time of the year, and that is now a good time to sell my home?
The short answer is yes, but there are three main points right now. We always tell our clients now is not a good time to sell your home. Now is a great time to sell your home. The first reason is inventory is down. People pull their homes off the market, but there are still buyers out there, whether they're transferring in from other companies. They've got to have a home, they're serious, and they're ready to move. So inventory being down, people actually get more for their homes this time of year. The second reason is you don't have to deal with looky-loos this time of year. People that are out looking at houses, they are serious buyers. They're ready to go. People that are 6 to 12 months out are not riding around looking at homes during the holidays. And the third, probably most important reason now is a great time is
everyone's home looks best decorated for the holidays. People want to be able to walk in and really get a feel for your home and how they can picture their family sitting around the Christmas tree and just coming together in their new home.
Awesome. All right. Those are the reasons why we tell our clients now is a great time to put your home on the market. If we can do anything, please let us know. We'd love to help.
Yep. If you do have any other questions, just send us an email at mattsellsmemphis@gmail.com or give us a call at 901-800-9406. We would love to be able to do a free home valuation for you guys. And like I said, thank you so much for joining in and have a great holiday season.